Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in. So hey, I got a little story time. It's story time. It's a story about my drill. This Ridgid drill. It's a brushless drill. It's been pretty good. So, back when I was building this room, back in 2021, the winter of, I started this I think in roughly December, 1st of December, kind of sort of in that area. And I was kind of finishing it up kind of end of February, beginning of March, something in that area where I was pretty much done with it, close to it anyways. So I was putting my paint booth in, right? And it's got a vent that goes outside. So I took this drill out because this building is inside of my garage. So this wall here is not the outside wall to the garage. There's probably about, I don't know, 8 inches between this wall and the outside wall. So I had to take that paint booth and, like I say, I made a vent for it, and the outside steel on the outside of this building. I took this drill out and I drilled 4 holes for the vent, and I drilled like a 2-inch hole saw hole and cut it with tin snips, you know, to make it bigger. So anyways, did all that, and funny thing is, I come back in, I set the drill down, right? I come back in to get some caulking to put around that little flapper door I put out there. Dryer vent or whatever you want to call it. And I was all excited, got it done, and there was snow on the ground. It was cold. I remember it was cold. I was like on a Sunday afternoon, just freezing outside. So I come in here, hooked it all up. Yeah, cool, it's running, it's working good, you know. Well, I forgot all about the drill. I mean, I forgot about it. Day goes on, I obviously forgot about it. Month goes by, I forgot about this drill. Couple months go by, and I kind of didn't think about it at the time. Well, summer's come along, and I'm doing work around the house, doing things like, man, where's that 3rd drill? Because I got 3 of these. I got 1 brushless, and I got 2 other ones. And I'm using the other ones, and now I'll take the same battery and stuff. And I thought, man, where's that other drill at? And I'm missing a drill bit, and I thought, okay, wherever that drill's at, my bit's in there as well, because I have a set of bits, and I noticed one's missing. So, anyways, I put this mini split in a couple weeks ago, right? And the main AC heater unit is outside on the wall, just kind of kitty corner behind me. And I'm out there putting the brackets up, and I just happened to look down, and I thought, I see something orange sticking on just on the ground. And I thought, oh my God, that's my drill that I've been looking for. And first thing, I got kind of mad at myself, and I thought, you idiot, you left that outside? I can't believe that. So now I'm kind of mad at myself, you know, so I go over there and I pick it up. And I have one of those Shelter Logic sheds right out here. It's one of those 8x8s. Well, last fall, we had some really bad wind, and it ripped it. I mean, it ripped it bad. And I was like, you know, one of those like, really? So this got laid down by that ripped top of that Shelter Logic shed, and I probably didn't see it, or I just missed it sitting there. So obviously I came in, I picked the drill up, brought it inside, and the thing was just, I mean, it was locked right up, and I thought, dang it. It's like kind of pricey, these brushless ones. And I thought, man, my favorite drill. Things just, ugh. I thought, you know what, one day I'll take it apart, see if I can't get it going. So anyways, I took the battery off it, and I'm looking at it, and I thought, well, it's a little corrosion inside the battery, but the drill end looks good. So I stuck the battery on the charger that was outside. And of course, it gave me a green light, and it went right to the red light of death. And I thought, oh man, the battery's junk. And I thought, well, probably got water in it, froze, who knows, whatever. And I thought, okay, battery's no good. And I thought, you know, just out of curiosity, because I was going to tear this apart and fix it. Just out of curiosity, I'm going to take a charged battery, a good one, and stick in here. And I hit it, and I thought, lo and behold, it worked like a champ. And I thought, you got to be kidding me. I was so happy that this was working. I thought, my favorite drill. And here I left outside. The LED light works and everything. The only thing it really messed up was, you can see the chuck. It's pretty rusty on the end there. So that's the only thing that really did anything to it. But I had to work this a little bit to get it freed up. And of course, my drill bit was in there all nice and rusted up at that point. And so I'm telling you, I'm not, you know, Ridgid don't promote me or nothing like that. It's nothing like that. But this is a bad dude here. I'm just saying, it was amazing to me that this thing still worked, because it's been laying out in the, it was laying like this in the ground. And where that shelter logic tarp or building is, I mean, it was full of water and everything. So I know at one time this was probably laying submerged in water at one time. You know, when it was still snowy out and snowed and all this good stuff. So it's been raining like crazy here and all this stuff. So this thing's been outside for, shoot, I would say probably 5 to 6 months it's been laying outside in the weather. The battery pack did not make it, okay, but the drill did. So I'm so amazed at this. What an awesome product. Like I said, I'm not promoting Ridgid by any means, but I'm just thinking for my own personal experience, this is a pretty awesome drill right here, you know, to survive that and still work like a champ. So that's my little story. I thought it was kind of cool. I was just happy to find that, because I used this drill pretty much putting this whole room together, and me and this drill's been through a lot together, so it's just kind of glad to see it come back home and I can put her to use again. So anyways, that's my story. I just thought it was kind of cool to share that with you, because a lot of times you see stuff like that happen. It's ruined, it's junk, it's no good, whatever. So hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching my little story time here, and we will see you the next time around. You guys have a good one.